Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you challenges in Ultimate Team mode. In the beginning, let's enter Ultimate Team and go to Challenges. Here you can manage Training Camp, Season of Boom, Forge, Epic Challenges and Legends. For each challenge you can gain rewards. Requirements: complete a play.
And now the offense getting set, 1st and 10. First play, Mahomes looking to throw it.
From the 25, they'll go to work. 1st and 10. Mahomes going to start this one with a throw. And a good effort there defensively. It's knocked away and incomplete. They'll try again here. 2nd and 10. Here's Mahomes. A throw left side, but it's incomplete.
Timing and trust. Critical elements of this quick passing game. If your target and the quarterback are not on the same page, it winds up being an incompletion and a wasted down.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.